I'll be talking about Quantify, an open source software platform for experimental physics that's inspired by Piked. But before I do that, I wanted to talk quickly about the state of quantum software. And typically when we think about quantum computers, we think about a full stack figure like the one I'm showing you right now, with a quantum processor, a dilution refrigerator, control electronics to control the qubits, and software to execute quantum algorithms. There's a very nice hardware-software interface, and there's lots of very mature software frameworks like IBM Qiskit, Google Circ, and the other usual suspects. And most of these software projects are quite professional open source projects with centralized maintenance, good testing, good documentation. So we would say that the situation of quantum software is actually quite positive. However, what they also do is they're very top-down focused on the quantum algorithm, quantum information side, and all the complexity of experimental physics is typically hidden behind this hardware interface. So what we do is we forget about the thing that actually most experimental physicists spend their days doing, which is calibration and characterization. So what I want to do is I want to talk about Quantify, and particularly I want to talk about Quantify Core, which is a framework to do experiments with. It's a framework that provides all the basics for controlling experiments. It has a native hybrid gate pulse model sequencing, which is really required if we want to have the same structured approach to the low-level messy experimental physics as we use for the more established gate-based quantum computing. And while doing that, we like to address in this open source platform the main limitations of purely academic software. We've currently released several versions. We have a clear roadmap, and we're very happy to accept any contribution and provide support for it.